Hot work is any activity that produces heat, sparks, flame, or enough energy to ignite combustible or flammable materials. Common examples. Common examples of hot work include welding, gas cutting, grinding, brazing, soldering, flame heating, gouging, metal drilling with sparks, thermal spraying, torch-on waterproofing, and any work using an open flame or creating sparks. Main hazard. Hot work presents serious hazards, including fire, explosion, toxic fumes and gases, burns from hot metal and sparks, eye injuries from arc flash, electric shock, oxygen deficiency in confined spaces, property damage, environmental pollution, and excessive noise. Possible consequences. Failing to manage hot work safely can result in serious injury or fatality, fire spread, equipment damage, production shutdown, environmental contamination, financial loss, and legal action. Before starting hot work. Before beginning any hot work activity, you must 1. Obtain an approved hot work permit. 2. Conduct a job safety analysis or JSA. 3. Identify all hazards. 4. Remove combustible materials within at least 10 to 15 meters where practical. 5. Cover nearby combustible materials with fire-resistant blankets. 6. Check gas cylinders and hoses for leaks. 7. Ensure adequate ventilation. 8. Test the atmosphere if working in a confined space. 9. Barricade the work area. 10. Display warning signs. 11. Keep emergency exits clear. 12. Ensure a trained fire watch is available. 13. Verify emergency contact numbers. Required PPE. All personnel involved in hot work must wear the correct personal protective equipment, including a welding helmet with the correct shade length, safety goggles, face shield when grinding, leather welding gloves, flame-resistant coveralls, safety shoes, hearing protection, respiratory protection when required, safety harness for work at height, and a high-visibility vest. Fire prevention. To prevent fire during hot work, keep suitable fire extinguishers nearby. Inspect all equipment before use. Never weld near flammable liquids or gases. Do not use damaged cables. Keep cylinders upright and secured. Store oxygen and fuel gas cylinders separately. Close cylinder valves after use and prevent sparks from traveling to nearby areas. Fire watch duties. The designated fire watch must stay in the work area during all hot work. Watch for smoke, sparks, and hidden fires. Know how to operate fire extinguishers. Raise the alarm immediately if required, and continue fire watch for at least 30 minutes after completion or longer if required by the permit. Safety rules. Remember these non-negotiable safety rules. No hot work without a valid permit. No smoking in the hot work area. Never bypass safety procedures. Only trained and authorized workers may perform hot work. Always inspect equipment before use and keep the workplace clean and organized. Emergency actions. In the event of an emergency, stop work immediately. Sound the alarm. Use the correct fire extinguisher if it is safe to do so. Evacuate if the fire cannot be controlled. Inform the supervisor. Call the emergency response team and provide first aid to injured persons. After completing hot work, once hot work is complete, you must switch off all equipment. Close gas cylinder valves. Disconnect the power supply. Inspect the area carefully. Remove all waste materials. Ensure there are no smoldering materials. And close the permit only after the final inspection. Golden safety reminder. Think before you strike an arc. Check. Permit. PPE. Fire protection. Fire watch. Final inspection. These 6 steps are your formula for safe hot work every time. Remember, one spark can start a fire. One safe decision can prevent it. Be safe, work safe, go home safe.